Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 sleep issues solved. First method is type power plan in Windows search bar, click choose power plan. Click change plan settings. Click change advanced power settings. Click and expand PCI Express. Click and expand link state power management, select off, click apply, click OK. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, off. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.